Bro, you're not getting my chips, bro. You're not getting my chips, bro. Move, man.
Bro.
I'm gonna whip your mama ass, too. Move, get your kids. Get your kids.
Bro, I ain't never seen him
You're not
jump.
getting my chips, bro.
Bro.
All right, we'll fight out here.
Bro.
I don't care about that. We got a problem out here. Leave my chips alone.
Say, bro, we got the hoodest,
How about that, man?
the hoodest ducks in my area. I was about to say where I live, but I'm not.
I'll take all y'all ass to Panda Express.
This nigga said I'm gonna take y'all to Panda Express.
Right, bro. He ducked.
Bro, he jumped.
Oh, watch out now.
Up.
Move, bro. Move, bro. Move, bro. What you want, man? God damn it.
Bro, this is real. I ain't never witnessed this part.
I'm gonna put y'all ass on live, bro.
This nigga hungry for real. Put it back down a little bit, bro. I want to see if his brothers or something gonna come.
I'll start my damn car.
YouTube, what's up? It's your boy, Turbo, T-Ramo, whatever. You are watching this video, so subscribe. Why not? Also comment, share, hit the bell notification. When you hit the bell notification, please hit all. If you don't hit all, you won't be notified when I post. But today, got another video. Man, we was bored today, I'm gonna be honest. Well, I ain't gonna say we was bored. Man, we had to get a little practice in, man. If you stay ready, you never gotta get ready. So today, with my brother Mazi, we are at the gun range. It's time, man, to go get a little practice in. So just in case, you know, somebody run up or whatever the case is, just know we always ready. So let's get to it. So today, man, I got a couple to choose from, but today I'll be shooting the Springfield Armory, the XD9. If you don't know about it, man, y'all need to find out about it. It's rather lightweight. The recoil, man, it ain't none really. I won't be shooting my regular clip today because I don't want no hollows. I don't want to waste none of them. But I will be shooting the 30 pack today because I loaded it yesterday with, you know, gun range material. So today we'll be getting it in with that, doing what we do. But since I'm talking about it,
Yes, sir?
what you got going on, brother?
Sneezing right now, bro.
Well, let me back up. So I told these folks, man, we're finna get in here and go bust a couple.
Yes, sir.
You know, stay ready. You never got to get ready.
Yes, sir.
What you gonna be firing today, brother?
Huh? I got my Glock 19, bro.
Y'all see him?
With the bike guard. You know it.
Yeah.
But I mean, you gotta stay protecting Texas, bro. I mean, with Dallas, cause you know our murder rate went up.
You hear that? I don't care if you're in Dallas or where you at. You better stay ready.
This is the thing. I got 31 reasons why people didn't leave me alone.
I got 32.
Yes, sir.
I got 32.
I'll check out my ammo out of my gun. We can go ahead and buy some.
Your clip full?
Huh?
Your clip full?
I think I'm out. Even I have my hollows in there. Oh, shit, no.
But I'm good to take mine in there full, right?
Yeah.
Trying to get in this building, man, and go show out a little bit. I guess you gotta go in here with it cocked and open, nothing in the head, all of that. So I don't even know how I'm supposed to carry this like this, cause I never do. Oh, the XD9, man. If you didn't know, there is a safety on this gun. There's no safety like on the sides of it. Of course, the safety is actually back here. It's a handle, a grip safety. So if your hand is not fully on this and holding it in, the gun will not fire. It also is a double trigger. If you're a gun person, you understand everything happening. But let's go get it, man. Yeah, man, it's official. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but we're not in here just playing. So we gotta get everything we can. They get their little shots in. Got Mazi over here trying to get himself ready. He had to buy ammunition because it came with nothing. Run me one of the magazines, brother. Jesus Christ. What blew my ear off? Jesus Christ. Yeah, we're gonna get back to it, man. See what this dude is going on, man. Let me see, man. Let me get back. Oh, no. Ooh-wee. No, sir. Hey. Mazi done jammed up. Black John Wick, huh? I ain't never seen that in John Wick.
If I missed all these, it's a wrap.
No, it ain't. You still got shells, don't you?
Yeah. I ain't gonna shoot them with my man. Okay. I told you, bro. Yeah, I'm like John Wick.
Man.
John Wick, bro.
Pure accident.
Huh?
That was accidental.
Bro, purpose dental, bro. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, he dead, bro. Ain't nothing to talk about. Yes, sir. What you think, bro?
Turn it up. Okay. This nigga's childish.
Get some knives. I'm not proud of that. I'm not proud of that.
They didn't do nothing but make it.
Huh?
Just calm. It's like,
It's over, bro. Alright, well, call his mother.
yeah, man. So we're done with that, man. It is time to put this. Gotta refill this. This is just gonna be range only. I mean, I'm probably gonna mix them up though. You know, high lows, then shooting range, high low, shooting range. We'll see. But it's time to put the officials back in. Never gonna be caught lacking. So put him back. Oh, he rides. Everywhere I go, he rides. But and for the most part, man, that'll be the end of this video. Just wanted to bring y'all something different, man. Yeah, we do car shit all the time. Understandable, man. But it's a lot of people that ask questions about lifestyle type events. So I don't know if I want to get into that whole thing because I'm a very private person. But man, I guess y'all let me know what y'all want to see. We got a lot of events coming up. So, I mean, this channel will stay a car channel. Understand that. But if I add to the car channel and do some more stuff, then, I mean, it's just a plus. At the same time, man, I need y'all to start going to get y'all's homies and family members and all that and bringing them to the channel. We need to grow. I'm telling you, it's plans on plans on plans on plans on plans, man. Content on content, editing finna change, all of that, man. Your boy finna grow up on this YouTube thing. But man, appreciate y'all for watching, rocking with your boy, subscribing and all of that, man. I'm gonna get to y'all a little later, man.